Hello, today we will guide you through how to activate Wispr Flow. In this quick walkthrough, we'll go over the simple process for getting Wispr Flow activated and ready to use. The good news is that this setup is very straightforward, and in most cases, activation happens automatically once you sign in. To begin, open the Wispr Flow app on your device. If you've already installed it, you can launch it from your desktop, Applications folder, or wherever you normally open your programs. When the app starts, give it a moment to fully load so you can see the sign-in screen or main interface clearly. If this is your first time opening it, you may notice a brief loading period while the app initializes. That's completely normal. Once the app is open, the next part is simply to log in. Enter your account credentials on the sign-in screen and complete the login process. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your Wispr Flow access, since activation is tied to your login. If the app takes a few seconds to move past the sign-in screen, that's also expected, especially if it's checking your account status in the background. After you log in, Wispr Flow should activate automatically. There's no separate activation button or extra manual setup required in this process. The app recognizes your account and applies the activation as part of signing in. This helps keep the setup fast and easy, especially for new users who just want to get started without navigating additional menus. If you don't immediately see confirmation, give the app a moment to finish syncing. In many cases, activation happens silently in the background. You can usually continue into the app once login is complete. If something seems stuck, a simple refresh of the app or reopening it may help the account status update properly. And that's it. To activate Wispr Flow, all you need to do is open the app and log in, and the activation should happen automatically afterward. It's a very short process, but it's important to make sure the app is fully open and that you sign in with the correct account so everything works as expected. Thanks for following along. You should now have Wispr Flow activated and ready to use.